So welcome to entrepreneurship class. We are going to study a book called Kidpreneur. I want to make sure both of you are in the class and attending the class so that if there is any issue, you have to give me the feedback. Okay, as a student. So did you did you get the copy of the two files we have broadcasted? One was a PDF file and one was an audio file.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it right? We are going to open that file, the PDF file. And the audio file is basically the same content what you see on the screen. Are you able to see the book?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
this book is called, it is particularly written by the two American businessmen for the student to learn the entrepreneurship subject at a younger age. So we will scan the content of this book. More students coming in. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. So I have taken everybody in. How many are attendees total? Can anybody see? 21. So everybody is safe at home?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Taking
sir.
care
Yes,
of
sir.
the
Yes, sir, we are safe.
sanitation, social distancing. Okay, so the book name is called Kidpreneur. This name has been developed by combining the two words, kid plus entrepreneur. Do you remember the last class we have conducted entrepreneurship?
Yes, sir.
What did we learn during that class?
How to become a businessman and how to start our own business.
Okay, very good.
How to run a business.
Okay, so how to become a businessman is the short meaning of entrepreneur, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So what we do in this is basically we are combining the different skills together to become the entrepreneur, right? And now the
Yes,
question comes how the younger student, younger kid can become an entrepreneur, and that is where this book comes into the picture. So you can see on your screen, young entrepreneurs with big ideas is called the kidpreneur. So the content we are going to study, these are the two brothers who have written the book. You see the animated photos here?
Yes, sir.
Last thing is to and
Yes,
we have given ideas. If you are reading this, you must be interested in doing more with your life than just making money. So entrepreneurship is not only about making the money. It is about fulfilling your dreams. The creativity and innovation are the things which are needed to become the entrepreneur. Also, you need to know the skills about solving the problems. Can somebody give me a current famous entrepreneur's name? One from
Jeff
India and
Bezos.
one from international.
Jeff Bezos.
Huh?
Bezos.
Can anybody hear the name? Can you say it again?
Jeff Bezos.
Jeff. What is the business he has started?
Amazon.
Amazon. Okay. So you know that that company is doing business in every corner of the world right now.
Yes.
Do you know the story behind Amazon? How did that company start? I will share you some information. This company was started by Jeff to sell old books. You know, when you are studying and you are done with your books, Generally, people, keep it in the corner and the book keeps collecting the dust and they become useless. So he came up with the idea, how about reselling the old books? That is how the Amazon.com was started. So what was the reason behind starting Amazon? Solving the problem in the society. And what was the problem? The old books were thrown by the people without reusing it. So first we define the problem and then we find a solution. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes,
problem
sir.
was that the books which are used by the students were not sold properly or recycled or reused. So he came up with the idea that I am going to start an online store and I am going to sell the old books at a discounted price. That is how the Amazon started. And it worked wonderfully for selling the old books. Now, the first idea was the innovation. Innovation is first time doing something different, first time doing something new. So innovation was done by launching Amazon.com. Now the creativity comes into the picture. When Jeff started the store for selling the old books, he did not stop just by doing that. You know what Amazon sells today?
All the
Everything.
products.
Yeah, you name it and Amazon is selling. We just received 5-6 plants today, and even the nursery plants are also sold by the Amazon. So innovation was done to launch the bookstore for selling the old books online. That was the innovation part. But he applied the creativity in that and started selling other stuff. Now, initially, this store was launched in America. He sold the old books in America. He sold other stuff in America. Now, other creativity was that expanding the territory. Now, Amazon is not only in America, but in almost every country. There are officially 200 plus countries in the world. So Amazon is selling everywhere. So that is how the entrepreneurship is started with innovation and expanded by using creativity. You have to remember two things: innovation and creativity and problem solving. These are the skills we need to become the entrepreneur. So you see two names here on your screen: Adam Torren and Matthew Torren. These are the two brothers who have written this book for the kids. And this book is dedicated for the ages 6 to 14. These are some feedbacks written by other people. This book is dedicated to all the parents and grandparents who take time to share their experience with their children and grandchildren. So let us share some more experience. We named one of the international businessman, international entrepreneur. His name is Jeff, who started Amazon. Now we learn about the innovation he did, and also we learn the creativity he did to expand his business. Let us talk about one businessman from India. Can anybody suggest me a name? Can everybody hear me?
Dhirubhai
Yes.
Ambani.
Dhirubhai Ambani. Okay. Let us talk about the Dhirubhai Ambani. Now, does anybody know how Dhirubhai Ambani started his career in his earlier age? What did he do initially? Then how did he expand his business? And now they have become the #1 richest family in the, not only in India, but they are listed in international rich people also, right? So can anybody
Yes, sir.
share the story? Does anybody know the background about, oh, we have students waiting here. How do we know if students are waiting? Yeah, I started admitting now. But if somebody comes in, we have to make sure we admit them. How many are there? Okay, students. I would like
Yes,
to know,
sir.
does anybody know the background story of Dhirubhai Ambani? एक काम करो ना, हाँ कांचन को बोलो, try to reconnect her again.
Okay.
She is not getting in, but I admitted almost all students. Can anybody see if there is anybody pending, or we have admitted all? Admitted all, right? So students,
Yes, sir.
does anybody know the background about Dhirubhai Ambani? Okay, I'm going to share some information about him. What happened, there were a lot of, the cotton mills where they make the fabric and then the clothes using the cotton thread.
Yes,
There
sir.
were the factories in Mumbai, and they were shutting down because they were not running profitably. So what he said to the owner of those factories that you are shutting down the factory anyway, so why don't you give it to me and I will try to run. So you see what was the problem in the society that time. The factories were not running smoothly, factories were not running profitably. So that was a problem. So one of the owner came with the solution that I'm going to shut down these factories. I don't need them. They are not making money, and all the laborers and workers creating problem for me, so I don't want them. So that was the solution created by the current factory owner that time. Now Kanchan is coming. I think there is an issue. When I admit her, she doesn't come in, so we'll just keep her on the side. So Dhirubhai Ambani came with another alternative solution. What was his solution? His solution was, this factory shutting down, so give it to me and I will run that factory, and if I make the profit, I will also share the profit with you. That was the proposal done by the Ambani to the current owners, and he took over the shutting down factories. He met with all the workers and he said that this factory is going to belong to the workers now, and we are going to run this factory on our own. And he converted the non-profit making business into a profit making business and started running those cotton mills in Mumbai. Now that was an innovation. First time when you do something new, it's called innovation. But now Dhirubhai Ambani did not stop by just running the old factories. He started expanding into other territories. Then he went into the petrochemicals. And almost every industry now is captured by the Reliance Group. Correct? So initially,
Yes,
if you want to do something, you have to solve the problem, apply the innovation, and then go into the creativity and expand that into multiple territories. That is the example of entrepreneur from India. So now, all of you, when you join the global, you get asked one question: what is the life goal of the student? And remember, we prepared the charts for all of you and they were displayed in our campus.
Yes.
Okay. So many of
Yes,
you
sir.
wanted to become the AS officer, IPS officer. Some of them said, I want to become a collector. Some of them you said, I want to become the army person. So everyone has a different goal. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
One of them could be entrepreneurship. Now, what do you think could be the reason to become an entrepreneurship compared to any other career? Can anybody suggest me the reason? How many of you want to become Dhirubhai Ambani?
Me.
See?
Me, sir.
Okay. And the reason for?
We are
Yes.
not bounded with boundaries.
Yes, when you do the job, your job is bounded by the place, bounded by the company, and bounded by the limit of the income you can make, and the creativity, innovation, the ideas what you want to do will be limited to your job, limited to your place. But when you are entrepreneur, you could be doing a business not only in Nashik, not only in Maharashtra, not only in India, but you can become an international entrepreneur. You gave the name of Jeff. Jeff never seen Nashik city, but he's making money from Nashik. You know, there is another company called Uber. It was just recently started few years ago, and now you are seeing in every corner of the world Uber Eats. You know those boxes people are putting on their back and delivering the food.
Yes, sir.
That person will never see the places where he is going to make the money, but his idea, his innovation is making him the money all over the world, every corner of the world. So one of the benefit is basically whatever you would like to do in your life. This is one of the channel we can use to fulfill your dreams. Making money is one, but solving the problem of the society and making the dreams come true. There are multiple things you can do, the innovation, you can do the creativity, problem solving, and making the money and helping others. There is one point in our book, it's called giving back. Students are waiting. Hold on. Admit. Kanchan ma'am has been admitted, but her screen is sitting on my screen. And it's not going away. Okay. We are everybody in? Okay. So how many attendees we have so far? 23, right? Okay. Okay. Anybody has any questions so far?
No.
No, sir.
Okay. So let's go to our content of the book we are going to study. The content of the book is running in front of you. The first introduction is what do you want to become in your life or when you grow up. Now, most of the students which have been with Global for more than a year, the life goal has been defined. And the new attendees, I'm sure there are some new students in this class who are attending Global session first time. When you come back to school full time, you will be asked that question. What is your life goal? We will define that, we'll put it on the chart, and you have to start putting your efforts starting from right now. For example, if you want to become a collector or IS officer, what is the requirement to become the IS officer? You have to pass the competitive exams. Now, to pass the competitive exams, what do you need to do? Prepare for it. And what are the subjects? Mathematics is part of that, English is part of that, general knowledge is part of that. So all these subjects you have to make sure you are going to study from right now, so that you are ready and prepared well in advance to give those exams, and you will be able to crack those exams and make your career in the field you want. Correct? Now, the majority of the students have said they want to become the IS officer or some kind of government officer when I studied the charts. And for that, you need to prepare for competitive exams, and all those competitive exams are based on NCERT books, which are CBSE books. And those are the same books you are studying as of now in your class. So you have to make sure your attention is on all the books we are studying from the CBSE, because the same books content is going to be coming into the competitive exams. Questions will be based on those books directly. So you have to make sure you are studying sincerely from your career point of view. Passing the term 1, term 2, test 1, test 2 is okay. That is just a preparation step. but your ultimate goal is to fulfill your dream by doing the career you want. And becoming IAS officer is your career. You have to make sure you are focusing on general knowledge, English, math. These are the subjects we are going to be tested when you take these exams for the entrance in that career. Right? Any questions so far?
No, sir.
No.
No,
Okay.
sir.
So let us come back to the book. So what do you want to become is the number one. How many students are here who have not defined their goal and not given to global? Can you raise your hands or let me know? Let me see on the screen. Is there anybody on the screen who has not defined the goal in your life? Raise your hand, please. Can anybody see that we have anybody raising the hand?
They have off their camera, so ask them to message in the.
You can send the text to me and say that, okay, I would like to know. Or see if you can come on the screen, text me the message. Okay, so what we will do is we will ask that question through your class teacher one more time. Okay, I would like to know. I have board K. I see a message here. Let me see if I can go back to that. Who was the girl? Sarthak.
Sir, it is Shubhangi Bodke.
Shubhangi, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shubhangi, can I turn your mic on and get you on the screen?
She will order that.
Huh?
She will order.
She's on the mic. Okay. Can she come on the screen? How do you get Shubhangi on the screen? Shubhangi?
She left.
Sir, she left.
She left.
Sir, she left.
Okay. Let us see if we can get her back. She wanted to know about it, right? Anybody else want to talk about the career? Why don't we start with first student itself? Pankaj Kunde.
Yes, sir.
What is your life goal, beta?
So I want to become IS officer.
You want to become IS officer. So to become the IS officer, what all you have to do?
So collecting GK knowledge and
General knowledge, right? What else they ask the questions about?
so they mostly take IQ.
Intellectual.
IQ test.
Yes, yes.
So related to sociology and that, but that is
Okay.
not now.
Okay. So basically, you have to make sure that the classes you are attending right now through your class teachers, all those subjects are going to be part of that. So you have to make sure you are taking your classes seriously, listening to the teachers. One of the skill which you have to develop, once you pass the written exam, there is something called interview. And that is where they check your confidence and the communication skills. And we are going to conduct the classes for the communication skills also, where you need to learn how to listen, how to understand the comment question made by the others, and then how to react to it. That will be also part of this class. Also, we are going to give the access to all the students on Google Suites, and we are going to develop the websites for each one of you. You are going to develop your profile and write your goals on your profile. So there will be an access given to everybody to develop your own website. That is going to be a part of our curriculum too. So by looking at the chapters, we have total 11 chapters to study in this book, and this is going to be a journey. We are going to travel together. I don't know the time frame, but we will cover one by one, and whatever the time takes, this academic year, next academic year, or further than that, but we are going to make sure we are going to study the book completely, chapter by chapter, understand it and implement it. I want to make sure everybody is going to develop the life goals, and we are going to chart the plan how we going to work on it. Not only entrepreneurship, but becoming IAS officer or army man or whatever the goals you have in your life. We are going to cover all those in this. So let us cover the chapter names at least. How grown up earns money. You can earn money by becoming IAS officer also, but on top of that, you can help to develop the country by becoming the government officer, because most of the government schemes are run through the IAS officers, and we want to make sure honest, hard-working people are sitting on that position so that we can make the progress of our country. Chapter 2 is talking about, are you the entrepreneur? To become the entrepreneur, you need the problem-solving skills, innovation, and creativity skills. Chapter 3, how to get started to become entrepreneur. Then we are also going to create a sample business through the process. Some of the businesses nowadays, are run on the internet. So you can also think that as a platform, the way we talk about Jeff, the Amazon.com guy, he is making the money on the internet because most of the marketing is done through Amazon.com. Same thing is with Uber and many other companies like Facebook, Google. This is the new trend where most of the things are happening on the internet. So one of the platform for become entrepreneur is the internet. We are going to study that in detail. What are the business ethics? See, money can be made by the proper way or money can be made by a wrong way. So we have to make sure whatever we are going to do is ethically valid, ethically accepted in the society. One of the major issue we have in the society right now is called corruption. I know many of you are going to become IAS officer, but you have to decide, are you going to become a Tukaram Munde type of officer, or are you going to become a corrupt officer? You are going to help the society, you are going to help the country to make the progress, or you are going to become the officer just to fill your pockets. You have to make that decision right now. And our number one priority should be the progress of the society, progress of the country. And if we do that, our progress will automatically happen because everybody is going in the right direction. Got it? Anybody listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So the few more chapters, the chapter 6 is called Green Business. Green business is basically focusing on the environment where we are giving the minimum pollution to the environment and running the business. So we'll discuss those points in detail. Another skill you need is networking. Networking is establishing the links between the society wherever you are studying, wherever you are working, and developing the network so that when the time comes to expand the business, your network, larger the network, easy to expand your business. 8th chapter is called Giving Back. Giving back is basically doing the good work for the society. One of them is also called charity. How do we do that? Once you fulfill your dreams, there is nothing to achieve. Then you should think about the society through which you made the progress. Now time has come to give it back. So you can give it back by starting the charitable services like a hospital, educational institute like a school, or any other service where you can give it back so that the society can make the progress along with you. The chapter 9th is called Finding Your Balance. It is basically talking about when you are becoming a businessman, you have to make sure you are enjoying the life also. Just making money and keeping it in the bank is of no good. Student coming or going? Somebody waiting? So we have to make sure we have a balance in the life. Life is to be happy, to be creative, to innovative, prosper and enjoy. So we will do the services like becoming IAS officer or entrepreneur or whatever the career goals you have. But we have to make sure that our family is happy, our society is happy, along with that we are happy. So we have to make sure we don't become workaholic. That means only the work is there, nothing else is in the life. That should not be the way also to live. Being happy, sharing the happy moments with your family, with your friends, with your community, with your society is also important. Chapter 10 says, yes, you can do it. So we are going to make the decision. We are going to take the oath that whatever the dream I have, whatever the dream you have, we are going to work for it starting right now so that you can fulfill it on time. We will also develop the business plan, sample business plan as a part of this curriculum. Those who are interested in the career of entrepreneurship and those who want to do something else, they can also develop the business plan, but it will be called a life goal plan. So we will work on that, and that will be the conclusion of our studying the Kidpreneur book. Anybody has any question?
No.
Student?
No, sir.
Okay, so you have received the 2 files. Scan those, go through it. Any questions? You can post the questions back to me, and there is an audio file is going to read the same stuff back to you, and we will meet in the next class as the schedule will come to you. So what I would like to do is that I will send you a form in the Google form which will ask you the life goals one more time and few more questions, and especially those students who are new to global, those who have not developed the life goals, they will get the chance to define it and we'll include into our charts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to conclude today's class unless if you have any questions. Any questions? Come on the screen, let me know. Otherwise, we will meet in the next session. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Bye,
It is
sir. Have
really
a nice
helpful
day,
for
sir.
us. Good job, Chandrakala.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Chandrakala, what is the goal of your life?
She's not there in the.
I also want to become an entrepreneur like you.
Or you want to become an entrepreneur like me?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
You
You
are
are
the
part
best
of my
example
team,
for us.
so definitely you can fulfill your dream.
Yes, sir. You are the best example for us.
Yes, yes, yes. Whatever help you need from me at any stage, let me know. I like
Yes, sir.
starting business and running it, selling them and enjoy. Huh? So maybe we can start another global in Rajasthan. How about that?
Yes, sir. I am ready. But I'm more comfortable.